G'day, Matt Sheriff, Portfolio Manager with Adama and Brian. Here we are down at our net blotch in Barley site down at Katanning, site managed by Trial Co, independent trial contractors. Here we're looking at a range of fungicides for management of net blotch in barley, including our product Top Notch, which is an azoxystrobin and propiconazole mixture, relaunched this year. Looking down here in the base of the plant, you can see here we're getting some net blotch coming through on those lower leaves. Net blotch comes in two types, spot form and net form. Pretty obvious the description, but yeah, you can see here this is looks like spot form at this stage. Net blotch is one of those barley diseases that is stubble borne, and this particular paddock's been set up to get disease with the barley on barley rotation, which is becoming increasingly common. So it'll survive on the dead plant material from the previous year, and as you seed your next year's crop, like this one's been, it'll infect onto that new green leaf material as it emerges. So this crop stage, it's late tillering. It's about a week and a half away from its what we call the growth stage 32 timing, which is the first timing we'll have in this particular trial site. And what we're aiming to do is keep these newly emerging leaves clean and free of disease. So Top Notch is the product that is very good on net blotch in barley particularly. We've done a lot of work in barley over the last 2 or 3 years, 4 years, and some in the drier environments like we experience in Western Australia, that early growth stage 32 timing seems to be the best yield responsive in where you get dry conditions at the end of the season. So that's net blotch in barley. Important to be aware also that there's starting to be resistance developing with the DMI chemistry. So if you're at all concerned about that, you can send off leaf tissue tests for resistance testing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll keep in touch.